Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 58th day of a 90-day challenge of spoken English. So I discussed about lots of topics and I shared all the things that I do for improvement in me for spoken English and so today, I mean, of course I discussed before also, but today I want to share with you again. Like if you really want to start this journey like me, like you have fear to take first step for this journey for starting this spoken English, or even you want to start anything but you have fear to start, then I want to share my experience with you, like what are the hurdles I face and like of course I did lots of efforts to start this thing, but I could not start. And what are the final thing that I did, so I start this thing. I started working on this journey, this spoken English journey. Okay, so first I'm giving you an example. I participate in a debate. Okay, it was like a practical in my college. Okay, so like it was like a practical and in English. So it was like a GD, group discussion. Okay, and at that time my English was zero, a big zero. I didn't understand even a word, not word, but sentence. Okay, then I participated. I mean, not participated, I should have participated. Okay, so when you know what, I didn't get the topic of that debate, and I didn't get what all the students talking on which topic. I didn't get, even I didn't get what they are speaking, because at that time my mind was stuck, my mind was blank, and even my mind was stopped working also. So I mean I was, at that time I was blank, and when I came out from that room, it was like what happened with me. And the best thing is that I didn't even any work on my spoken English at that time. Like after that debate, I forget, after some days I forget that incident. See, it is wrong, of course it is a very wrong thing. I should have worked. But as I told you, we used Haryanvi at even at our college also. So after some time, like, okay, because I had lots of friends who had the same problem like me. So like we all are laughing at each other and forgetting our what we have faced. Okay, so like when I was working on my grammar, and even after, even after getting my grammar rules, I could not speak, because I had fear at that time. Even though I can write, when I like after working on my grammar, and when I was used to, I started spending my time with English, then I was able to write sentences in English, but I couldn't speak at that time. Then because I had fear, lots of fear. So what I did means, I really want to start, but that fear is very big. And before this fear, I could not take step. So one day when I had get to know that like I have a serious eyesight issue, and my eyes was not be cured. So I thought that I should have start something new. Because I should have work on me. How can I sit, like, I should have start, because it is not good, like, without doing anything, how can I sit? So so I took a resolution. Okay, I took a resolution to start this like spoken journey. And and I made my mind. I made my mind strongly that you should have start. I should means I told my mind that you should start. And now it's a high time you you had to do. Otherwise it's a, I mean, if I, at that time it was like, if I didn't take any step, then I was finished, because I didn't have anything to start. And of course my grammar is, I mean, I'm not saying very good, but at that time I was working on my grammar, and if I can write, then I should have speak also. But the thing is that I don't have any environment to speak with. Then of course I searched on YouTube how to speak English. Then like I got lots of application. Then like after, and in the starting, like I had fear, like how I talk to strangers, and there's a fear of judging. Then, as I told you, that after taking resolution, it was like you should have done. And I had lots of fear to connect it first call on that application. And when I started, I mean, when I talked to first stranger, I talked, I think, for a minute. Then after talking to him, it was like that, it was like that I did something big. And of course it is not big, but for me, because the fear I had, it was very big. So that's why I feel like I did something big. And my fear at that time, after connecting my first call, my courage had, like, my courage started being increased. Because you can see that if you take a few little steps, then your courage also is being started increasing. And it's a very big thing. So if it just need to take a little step, if you are able to take the step, means you are on a right track. Okay. And after that first call, I was starting enjoying that application. And I connected another call with a stranger, and I talked with that person for 1 hour. Can you imagine 1 hour? And it was amazing. I mean, it was like again, it was like I did something big. Because it was very very big thing for me. And okay, then, means after 2 or 3 days, I started using that application regularly. And even, like, as I told you even before, I started working on me, like written part, and speaking in front of mirror, and talking in that application. So, and now I'm making video also. So that's why I'm saying, I mean, I mean, the gist is, all of these talk. The gist is that there is a need to take first step. You have to make intention. You have to make intention to take first step, and the strong intention. It is not about that you took that. You took that decision to start, and after taking that intention, and after some hour, after some time, you forget that. No, very strong intention, very strong. So that's why I'm saying, I mean, just make intention first, make intention, then started working on it. If you take first step, if you are able to take first step, then everything easy for you. Like me, because it's a really really big thing for me. I mean, I couldn't think even for a second that I could start this thing. And see, I'm doing. So that's why I'm saying, okay. And again I'm saying, and this line, I said this line in my first day video, I mean, so many times. So, and I'm again saying, if I can do, then anyone can do, because it was very difficult for me. Okay. So thank you. If you really think that my efforts will be helpful for you, so please stay tuned with me and bear with me. And thank you for supporting. Jai Hind.